Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you guys how to apply this white mascara. I think I found new cute look. I'm so excited to introduce you guys. I already applied this Family sunscreen, so which is really good. It's all natural, but it has SPF 50. And then also I already applied credible foundation. Okay, for my eyebrow, I will apply Bobbi Brown Brow Kit. This color. So today I just apply the only powder. For here, so it's better to apply like corner here. And then for eyeshadow, today I will use this tone liquid eyeshadow 08. This color is a little pink, but it's like a more purple. I think it's cute color. I directly apply to the eyelid. And then just a little bit tap and blend it. Also here, just gently tap. Blend it. 3 eyeliner 03. The color is volcanic desert gray. So I just apply to the lash line. Only upper eyelash. Dior white eyeliner 009. This one. And then I just apply like middle of the eyelid. Just the middle. It looks like a highlighter. I really recommend this eyeliner because the other one, like a eye crayon one, so it's a little sticky, but it's like a pencil. Upper eyelashes, so I'm gonna use this Yves Saint Laurent number 4. And white mascara. So I just apply only under eyelashes. It matches this eyeshadow. It's like a snow. So if I apply the both of them, like upper eyelashes and then lower eyelashes, it looks a little weird, but I think it's good way to use only lower eyelashes. And for my blush, Benefit Dandelion. I love this color. It's like a peach. And also smells good. Okay, and for highlighter, I will use Natural Grasset 02P. So it's actually for eyeshadow, but I use for highlighter. And then finally, I will apply lipsticks NARS Afterglow Lip Balm 3425. This is cute. It's like a lip balm, and it has a little bit pinkish color. And I will layer this yellowish color. It's Cellbook Dignified Lips 23, and then I will just apply with finger. My hair color is orange. If my lips are really pink, it doesn't match my hair color and lip color. So it's better to like more, it makes more orange. Okay, that's it.